Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free drawing or sketching software for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android and Chrome OS. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, and if you're using any other computer or smartphone or tablets, still you can get this software. So firstly, just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for this application name as Krita, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. So now you can see here, get Krita now. Just click on it. Now it will auto detect your operating system. So right now I'm using a Windows, so it is showing Windows. So if you don't see your respective operating system, then you can just click on here, all download version. You can just click on here, you can download for your respective operating system. So let me download for my Windows computer. So wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So finally the software has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded, and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run the installer. Now click on OK. Now click on next, click on next, click on I accept the license agreement, and click on next, click on next, click on next, click on I agree, click on next again, and just click on install, and wait for a few more seconds until the complete installation is done. So finally the installation has been completed. Now click on next, click on finish. Now you can see on the desktop, now you can see a shortcut icon of the respective software. Just double click on it to open or launch this software. So on opening it for the first time, you will see this kind of user interface, right? So here you can see new, or you can open the already created Krita files. So we have not used it before, so we'll just click on new, and here you can select the image or the page layout. So you can select different page layout, or you can customize also by increasing or decreasing the height and width or resolution values depending upon your needs. So I'll just select a A4 page layout with a 300 ppi, and after that I'll just click on create. So it will show me a page layout with a A4 page layout with a 300 ppi. So on the left side you will see different tools. So you can see this is a select shape tools, this is a SVG text tools. You will see a tons of files, even a calligraph. So if you select this calligraph pen, then once you start drawing, it will start painting in the calligraph style. And even you can select this freehand brush also here, and if you want a tons of different brush, and you can see here and the above brush presets. So you will see here tons of brush presets. You can select any one of this, whichever you want to use here. So here you can see shape icons like the circle, square, different like a polygon, and even you can select this others polygon tools. Tons of options here. You can get everything. You can use this pen tools to move anything. You can just color sample tools and smart page tool for healing or patchings any pictures. Once you are done with your drawing, and if you want to save it, then just go to these files, and here you will see two options to save or export. As you can see here, there is two options, save and save as, and one is export and export at once. So if you click on the save as, and you can see below here under the save as type, just click on it, you will see a tons of image format files. As you can see here, tons of formats. Even it supports a GIMP brush, when you can set it as JPG, PNG, whatever you like here. Even you can save it as a .ico, that is an icon file. So let me save it as a PNG file, and let me just give a name as draw, and let me click on save. click on OK, and let us check. So here is my drawing. So if you want to make your drawing background in the transparency style, then you can do it also using a creator. So what you need to do is, you can see on the right side, right here you can see a background option. Just select it, and you can see here one I like icon. Just tap on it. So you can see here the background layout has been set into transparency mode. So now if you go back to the file and click on Save As and select a PNG, and let me give a new name, Draw1, and I click on Save, click on OK, and let us go back. Now you can see here the background has become transparent. So the earlier one, as you can see, has a white background. So you can either export it with a background or without a background also. So in my opinion, it's a very good free drawing or sketching software for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and Chrome OS. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.